everyone, welcome back to Animation. As hope you all are doing well. So as we are doing square root of infinite series, up to now we have discussed about how to find out the infinite series if they are in the products, right? Now in the square root of the infinite series, even in the addition also we have solved it, right? And the square root of the infinite series, even when they are in subtraction also we have solved it, right? In the same way, now we are going to discuss about the square root of the infinite series when they are adding and subtracting. So one like root 3 plus root 3 minus root 3 plus root 3. So sign is also changing continuously. Positive, negative sign conversion is there. At the time, how to do it? First, we'll discuss the general method, how to do it. Clear? Which is very, very important actually, general method. According to the whoever the subject is maths background, this is the evergreen question actually. Finding the square root of the infinite series is an evergreen question. It's compulsory going to come. So for that, so I'm here to explain you the step-by-step method how to do it. Then we'll see the trick behind it. A small formula we are going to use that. By using that formula, for any number you are going to find out the solution for that particular series. So first we'll see the step-by-step procedure how to solve it, which is very, 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 very important for math students. Clear? So all the time we feel difficult by seeing the numbers whichever are under the square root, and by seeing not only that, now we are solving the infinite series, right? Which is also like we feel by seeing the square root only we feel like difficult. Now they are in infinite series, more difficult we feel. But don't worry, I am here to help you out in an easy way. Here, shall we start our session? So before going into the session, just I want to remind you people that watch the video till the end. So watch the video till the end, then only you are going to understand the concept. Trick is going to come at end. So watch the video till the end. And then comes to, so the videos whatever I am uploading which are very, very useful for everyone. So don't see and avoid it. So continue watching and stay tuned to Animation and like, share and subscribe. And share to all your friends too. Clear? And then we'll go for our content now. So our question is, here our question is about, first, so we are discussing about square root of infinite series when signs are changing here. Okay. So our question is about root 3 plus root 3 minus root 3 plus root 3 minus so on infinity. So same steps as we were doing, right? Little simplification part will be more in this. Yeah. So now step 1, equate it with x. X is equals to root over 3 plus root over 3 minus root over 3 plus so on infinity. Okay. Now see the series now. Plus, plus, minus, plus, plus, minus. So here up to here, okay, from here to here again the x, right? So we have to substitute it as x here. So step 2 is equals to x minus is equals to steps 2. In step 2 we'll be squaring on the both sides. So as we followed from the beginning, like that only I'm going to tell you. Okay, x square is equals to 3 plus root over 3 minus root over 3 plus root over 3 so on infinity. Now x square is equals to 3. In step 3, replace the equation by x. Root over 3 minus x. Again, step 4 here. The step 4 is again bring this 3 this side. Then it becomes x square minus 3. Then root over 3 minus x. Then squaring on both the sides we'll do again. So it becomes x square minus 3 is equals to root over 3 minus x whole square. So then here which formula we are going to do? Use a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. If not, a square plus b square minus 2ab also you can use. So here we are going to solve here x square whole square minus 2 into x square into 3 plus 3 whole square is equals to 3 minus x. Why? square and root will get cancelled here. Clear? Then x to the power of 4 minus 6x square plus 9 is equals to 3 minus x. Now bring all the one other LHS side. 6x square plus x plus 9 minus 3 is equals to 0. Then x is power 4 minus 6x square plus x plus 6 is equals to 0. So, by using the long division method, which we are learning in our 10th and 9th standard, see, later on I'll make a video on the long division method too. So, here we are going to get the roots of this particular polynomial equation x power of 4 minus 6x square plus x plus 6 is equals to 0. Our roots will be x minus 2, x plus 1, then x square plus x minus 3. So these will be the roots of that particular equation. So minus 1. Clear? These will be the particular roots of this particular equation. Clear? Now, so x values are what? 2. X is equals to minus 1 by using b square plus or minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. By using the root equation, we can find out the roots for this particular equation. Clear? You people do it, or else the video is going to become too big. So the solution will not be in negative values. The solution may be 2 or this. Clear? Here also if we get a fractional, then that is not a root for us, solution for us. So the solution of the particular equation is what? 2. The perfect answer for root 3, under root 3 plus under root 3 minus under root 3 plus under root 3 minus up to infinity is 2. So now we are going to see our trick behind it, how to use that trick means. So I am just giving a small formula for you, that is root over, see how simple it is, root over 4n minus 3 plus 1 by 2. So here n, you people know what we have to take? We have to take 3. So substitute n value 4 into 3 minus 3 plus 1 by 2. Then here comes 4 3s are 12 and this becomes minus 3 plus 1 by 2. Then 12 minus 3 is 9 plus 1 by 2. So root 9 is what? 3. 3 plus 1 by 2, that is equals to 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 2s are. So your answer is what? 2. See how simple it is. Is it simple? So see, this method is very important according to your examination type. So depending upon examination, you have to use your method. If you are writing a board examinations or any examinations like intermediate degree examinations, he'll ask you the method how you are doing it. So this method you have to follow. If not, it is a competitive exam. Only the question, just options are given. Only the answer part you have to take. Then go to this method, which is very, 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 very easy by using this formula. Clear? So our answer is same, right? 2 and 2. Is it easy? So if you are having any doubts in this problem, you can comment to me. I am here to explain you the problem, whatever you are facing, to understand that method. Clear? Thanks a lot. Stay tuned to Vanivision.